Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna talk about top 5 most beautiful beaches in the world. Beaches become popular as tourist attraction during the 18th century. Today, beachside towns and beach resort areas are a magnet for tourists who come to sunbath, swim, stroll the beach, build sand castles, surf and bodyboard. Beaches are typically vacation spots where people enjoy relaxation and laid-back fun. Families, honeymooners, beach bums, and thrill seekers alike flock the ocean's shore to enjoy a wide range of activities like sunbathing, surfing, beach volleyball, and more. Let's look the top 5 most beautiful beaches around the world. Number 1, Whitehaven Beach. Whitehaven Beach in Queensland, Australia regularly features among the most attractive beaches in the world. It's Queensland's cleanest beach and is washed by turquoise green and blue water. The beach is known for its crystal white silica sand, which gives it a brilliant near luminescent color. It is the most photographed beach of Australia to create beautiful fusion of colors. The Tunin Cove shift the tide from sand and water of Whitehaven Beach. It is protected by the Whitsunday Island National Park and in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef. Number 2, Cannon Beach. Cannon Beach is a small coastal city in northwest Oregon. It's known for its long sandy shore. In the Pacific Northwest town 80 miles northwest of Portland, you will discover nearly 4 miles of shore with jaw-dropping rock formation jutting out of the Pacific Ocean. Cannon Beach is among its most famous features. There's plenty to gawk at here, and much that is right out in the open and obvious. The rock is surrounded by beautiful tide pools and diverse bird life and is the backdrop for most Cannon Beach photos. It is replete with art galleries, specialty shops, cafes, and fine dining restaurants. Visitors can watch glass blowers at work in their studio or attend year-round live theater performances. Number 3, Navajo Beach. Another most beautiful beach in the world is Navajo Beach, nicknamed Shipwreck Beach because of the shipwreck vessel that washed up onto its shores in 1980s. Navajo Beach boasts a breathtaking setting on the northwestern coast of Zakynthos. It's located on the northwestern shore of Zakynthos or Zante in the municipality of Elation. The beach is surrounded by the blue sea on one side and steep and sheer limestone cliffs on the other. It is one of the most beautiful natural settings in the whole of Greece. You may view the photograph of Navajo Beach and wonder if there is a secret staircase from the top of the cliffs down to the beach. Number 4, the Bath. The stunning beach frontage of the fabulous area known as the Bath located on Virgin Gorda, the third largest of the British Virgin Islands in the Caribbean. It is world's most famous beach in the British Virgin Islands. Massive smooth ash grey boulders of varying sizes arise from the sea's crystalline waters, making a maze of sorts for travelers to wade or swim through. The sandy beach are lined with tropical palms, adding to the dramatic effect. Number 5, Anse sur Gent. Located on a Lardig island, Anse sur Gent is one of the most popular beaches with pink sands offset by towering granite boulders that have been worn by time and weather. The beach is sparkling with shallow, emerald waters under the warm sun against the huge granite boulders. The lush vegetation of this place offers an air of freshness and beauty all round. One of the world's top beaches, Anse sur Gent, contains a winning combination of large granite boulders studding the coastline coupled with pink sand beaches and coconut palms. Thanks for watching guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Then do like it and don't forget to subscribe this channel.